Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today we're going to be talking about VPS hosting. So what is VPS hosting? VPS hosting stands for Virtual Private Server. What does this mean? It's a hosting service that uses virtualization technology to provide you with dedicated resources on a server with multiple users. Yes? So the second thing we're going to be checking today is VPS good for hosting? If you need a hosting server that scales with your fast-growing website, VPS hosting is a great option. You will have full control over your server, resources, and often a better uptime overall, as your server is not sharing its resources with other websites. So this means you will have full control over your server. It's gonna be just for you. So the next question is, why do I need VPS hosting? VPS hosting is a must for websites and online stores that get a lot of traffic. Yes, so if you guys have a website that generates a lot of traffic, VPS hosting is for you. So VPS hosting makes it possible to allocate server resources, making it easier to manage corporate websites and online stores, for example. After this, we're going to be talking about two best hosting companies that offer VPS hosting. So the first one is Hostinger. Don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my links down below, guys, for you to have a big discount. Yes? So after this, after we click on the links down below, I'm going to be clicking on, for example, VPS hosting and choose VPS hosting right here. So after this, we're going to be checking the price that the guys from Hostinger have. Yes, choose the best VPS hosting plan for your site. So let's talk about the most popular plan. When it comes to VPS hosting, you're going to be paying $4.99 per month. This includes 2 GB RAM, 40 GB disk space, 2 TB bandwidth for one snapshot, weekly backups, dedicated IP, full root access. Yes, if you choose this. Yes, for example, if you guys want to choose this, you just click on select. Yes, so after this, don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below, guys, for you to have your big discount when it comes to VPS hosting. Yes, so you're almost there. Complete your order or choose a period. For example, in this offer, you're gonna be choosing, for example, 48 months, in which you're going to be paying just $4.99 per month. After you click here, you're going to be completing here. Yes, you are going to create your account. For example, you type your email, for example, Tony Correa, web host. Yes, this is my email. It's an example. Yes. Yes, and after this, you are going to complete this. For example, you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. Yes, it's up to you. Yes, guys. So this is the VPS hosting offered by the guys from Hostinger. So the second best company I'm gonna be talking about is about DreamHost. After we are here, after we clicked in the links down below, we're gonna be going to hosting and choose VPS hosting. Yes. After this, we're gonna be checking the features that these guys offer. For example, you can choose monthly, yearly, or 3 years. I recommend you guys going with 1 year, or if you are very sure that you are going to choose the best one, just click on the 3-year. Yes, 3-year plan. For example, the VPS Basic, the VPS Business, VPS Professional, and VPS Enterprise. For example, when it comes to VPS Basic, you're going to be choosing this for new and small websites. You're going to be paying $10 per month. You're going to be having 1 GB RAM, 30 GB SSD storage for unlimited websites, unlimited traffic, free SSL certificate you're going to be having here with the guys from DreamHost. Also, unlimited email with your domain. If you choose, guys, if you want to register with the guys from DreamHost, just click where it says sign up now. And also, we're going to complete our order. If you already have a domain, you can choose a domain later. You can, if you don't have a domain, you can ever choose your new domain here. But let's imagine that, okay, you are going to register a new domain. For example, The first thing we're gonna be doing is, for example, Tony Correa webhostreviews.com. You can ever choose, for example, .design, .io, .online. Yes, but the most recommended one is .com. So after this, we check if it's available. Yes. And let's see if Tony Correa webhostreviews.com is available. Yeah, congrats, Tony Correa webhostreviews.com domain is available. Now we are going to add it here. Yes. As you can see, we have just added, and it's similar to the previous one, right? You can register with your credit card, with your PayPal account. Yes, if you choose to go with your credit card, just type your card number. Yes, and we continue, right? Expiration date, for example, we can choose here. And after this, the security code is usually 3 numbers in the back of the card. Yes, and we complete this with real dates. Yes, we need to be legit when it comes to filling in the blanks here to proceed to our web hosting. Yes, in this case we're talking about VPS hosting. Yeah guys, if you have any question, please leave in the comments below. I will be pleased to help you. Yeah, I was talking about VPS hosting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. See you next time. Bye bye. Take care.